In 1950, Larson Sweden delivered its first products to their home market. In 1992, they delivered a complete starch factory to Thailand and developed a strong presence in Asia. Welcome to Paraguay. It was here that Larson Sweden designed, developed and commissioned its first complete starch manufacturing plant in South America, Codipsa 4. Codipsa 4 has been built using only European technology and has a production capacity of 100 tons of starch a day, having the capability to double that capacity if required in the future.
¿Por qué Codipsa tenía que buscar otra tecnología a nivel mundial?
Why Codipsa had to look for world-class technologies abroad? Because Codipsa realized that the company has to be a first-class world player in order to be able to compete globally. We must produce the same quality of tapioca starch as other top producers in the world. But at the same time, we must be competitive. And to be able to offer that, top quality starch at competitive prices, we realized that a good production plant is a basic requirement. It's the only way to be competitive at a global level. We decided to go to Asia to see a Larson plant in action for ourselves. And we saw that it works perfectly well. We saw all the advantages that a Larson plant offers when compared to other technologies, local or conventional technologies. At this stage, we made our decision. After having 3 plants using local or conventional technology, we opted for European technology. Our team analyzed a number of different producers of machinery and equipment for the production of starch. And Larson was chosen because they are the ones who best understand the entire process of producing tapioca starch. Today we have a Larson plant. With that comes a lot of hope and high expectations that with this technology we can be truly competitive in respect of quality and price at a global level.
Throughout the process, Larson's designers and engineers worked in collaboration with Codipsa's technicians in order to find a sustainable solution, always keeping in mind local concerns. The main objectives were to improve the plant's capacity, the yield generated and the quality of the starch, whilst of course reducing water wastage and energy consumption.
Working with Larson was a very exciting time. We started at the 5th of June in 2011 with the construction and then delivering of containers with all the machines from Sweden. All the installation, we had a lot of visits from Larson Engineering, and it was very good working together with them and had a successful time to put end of the installation and have a good value in the process.
Larson drew upon its decades of experience in Europe and in Asia to design the layout and manufacturing drawings for Codipsa 4. Larson supplied all the hardware for the wet milling, all the software which controls the entire system, as well as key components for the dryer. For the remaining parts of the plant, they either advised on the purchase or designed the parts and had it manufactured by local workshops. The entire process, from concept to commissioning, took only 12 months. The result is a fully automated, state-of-the-art tapioca starch plant. Larson's automated system not only ensures a consistently high-quality product with moisture content at 12–13%, but also helps reduce labor force. Despite its capacity of 100 tons of starch a day, Codipsa 4, for example, requires only 2 operators to run the system. With Larson's technology and expertise, Codipsa 4 is expected to obtain a yield of anything between 93 and 95%. That's very pleasing if compared to other production plants averaging 85%. Here are some other factors that give Larson a competitive advantage over other available technologies. By using state-of-the-art technology and an automated wet milling area, Larson manages to halve the water consumption compared to other systems. Inspecting hydrocyclones can be a daunting task. With most equipment available on the market today, it usually takes 6 to 8 hours. With hydrocyclones designed by Larson, on the other hand, inspecting is very simple and will take only a few minutes. Larson incorporates in its system sand separation equipment, which should be cleared by an operator every 8 to 12 hours, improving the quality of the product by reducing ash content and black spots. Larson centrifugal sieves are probably their flagship product. Invented by the company's founder in the 50s and continually developed over the years, today it's operational in over 50 countries around the world. Larson centrifugal sieves are used for different applications, from starch extraction from rasped potatoes and tapioca to the fruit juice industry. But in this case, at Codipsa 4, the perforated stainless steel sheets are used for starch extraction and fine screening, requiring zero maintenance and a guaranteed longevity. In order to meet today's high hygienic standards, Larson designed a rotary vacuum filter to dewater starch slurry. The filter is able to eliminate the liquid at an early stage, giving the benefit of longer dewatering time. That is significantly more than comparable machines available in the market today. On top of that, the filter is fitted with an automated downwashing system. At Codipsa 4, before drying and packaging, the starch is cooled before the buffer tank, reducing the risk of condensation and bacteria development. Here in Paraguay, the fibers extracted from the process are used for cattle feed. However, in other countries, fibers are already used in other food industries. It's expected that the same will happen in Paraguay in the near future, and Larson hopes to be able to add value by implementing one of its latest developments, a pulp press that begins the dewatering process of the fibers before drying even starts.
Y lo que nosotros esperamos entre varios otros beneficios.
At Codipsa 4, we hope, apart from many other benefits, that we will have a much lower environmental impact and that our costs will be greatly reduced because with Larson's technology, we will use less water in the entire process. I'm talking about reducing the water consumption by about 50%. We're also going to reduce the plant's downtime, the time used for cleaning the plant. This way, we are able to increase the production time, decreasing overall costs. We expect to obtain an end product of much superior quality, but not only, also a product that consistently meets higher physiochemical parameters and higher microbiological standards.
Como también la calidad microbiológica, porque vimos.
We realized that Larson understands how to process tapioca properly. Because of their deep knowledge of the products, in this case, the properties of tapioca, it is this knowledge that allows them to manage the starch production process so efficiently. Many of our clients in important markets such as Mexico, US, Europe, and some African countries, as well as Chile, often ask us, as one of the first questions, what starch manufacturing technology do you use? And they become increasingly confident in our product when we say that we're improving, that we have started with local technology, which has its advantages in some markets, but that now we have introduced state-of-the-art European technology such as Larson's. Today, Larson's technology is at the very top of the world's best technologies on offer for the processing of tapioca for starch manufacturing.
Está entre los top a nivel mundial lo que es la tecnología en procesamiento de mandioca